everyone, today we're going to do a little unboxing of the TriHear Convo hearing amplifier. It's a great hearing tool for people who maybe aren't ready for hearing aids or hearing aids are just too much for them. It's really easy to use and it's really affordable for a high quality piece. So inside we're going to have a user manual. It's got easy to read instructions and frequently asked questions, really helpful. We're going to have the amplifier itself, the remote microphone piece, and here we're going to have some earbuds, easy to use, some different earbud types, charging cord, a lanyard for wearing, and an aux cord. So to use this piece, this is the amplifier itself, so the person who is going to plug the earbuds into here, put them in their ears, and then they're immediately going to be having amplified sound. So they can either clip this on their shirt or attach the lanyard and wear it around their neck. They can adjust the volume independently, left and right, and they can also use it as a local mic, so that's using this as the microphone and then it picks up everything around them. Or they can use it with the remote microphone, which is this little piece. So the remote microphone can be clipped on any kind of speaker or placed in the middle of a table to allow the wearer to really get that clear speech from whoever they're trying to listen to. This piece you could also put by the TV to get amplified TV sound. It's a great little piece. It allows for really clear speech to whoever needs that amplification. The aux cord can be plugged in as well to the remote microphone. And then you can connect this to an audio player like an iPod or a different kind of device. You can plug it in directly to your TV if that has an aux cable for really clear streaming. So this is really easy to use, two pieces, you just can't go wrong.